Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation, and your love energy. So these are for your daily energy, Sagittarius. For your career situation and love energy, we'll be picking more cards, guys, from another deck. So one card for your career situation and one card for your relationship and one card from the oracle guidance deck, guys. So this is the card here, guys. I leave it here. We will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading, Sagittarius. So let's start with the daily reading first. It's 10 of stars, 2 of moons and 2 of suns. With these cards for your daily energy, Sagittarius, I see that it may be your energy or someone who is trying to dominate you in your life today, guys, who is angry with you, and this person has a great concern on you, but they are trying to impose their rules on you, be very authoritative, trying to dominate you today, making you go with the way they say. So they are forcing you into something and you may not like it, and it may lead to some kind of sadness on your part, and you are stressed and worried, exhausted. You feel exhausted by the way this person is trying to take control of you. It may be someone from your career or in your family. And I also see that you have someone for your support. It may be the person you love, the true person of your heart, someone who is coming with that love and who is open to you, and with whom you have that deep friendship and attraction, intimacy. So you have a perfect understanding with this person, and this person is helping you today, Sagittarius. That is what I see with these cards for your daily reading, guys. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys, Sagittarius. It's 10 of Pentacles. So with this card in your career situation, I see that things are going in a perfect way. You have that harmony, bliss and satisfaction in the way things are proceeding, and you appreciate the luxury you are enjoying today, the good fortune that you are enjoying today, and the success in your career situation, guys. So what is the card for your relationship? The World. So with this card in your relationship, guys, you have that peace of mind and satisfaction with this person. You are able to achieve that balance and that state of completion with this person. You have perfect harmony and balance in this relationship, and you have that perfect understanding with them, guys. That is what I see with this card. And maybe this person is your karmic connection, guys. That may be the reason for the appearance of this card. And with the previous cards also, we saw that there is a person who is very loving and caring. You may feel that familiarity with this person even at the first time when you would have seen them for the first time. You would have felt that you knew them before. So some kind of a deep connection you would have felt with this person, guys. That may be the reason that they are your karmic destiny. So let us see what is your oracle guidance, Sagittarius. Observer. So with this card in your situation, guys. It just means that you have to have that clear perception in the way you see your situation. When we see our circumstances up close through our personal lens, we will see it differently, because we see through our feelings and our experiences. So if we want clarity in our circumstance, we have to go for a different way to see things, that change in the way we see, that change in the way we perceive things, guys. So when you do that, we will have a much better clarity, and we will know what we should decide in life, guys. So that is the oracle guidance for you all, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.